The study of fossils is called A. Environmental biology, B. Historical biology, C. Paleontology, D. Social biology. A chemical substance that reacts with enzyme but is not transformed into product and thus blocking active site is called a substrate, B. Cofactor, C. Inhibitor, D. Promoter. The experiments on DNA molecules in chromosomes for knowing the basis of inherited diseases are conducted by A. Molecular biologists, B. Microbiologists, C. Freshwater biologists, D. Social biologist. Percentage of water in brain cells is A. 20, B. 65, C. 85, D. 89%.
The atoms of different elements combine with each other through ionic or covalent bonding to produce compounds. This stable form is called an organ, B. A molecule, C. Tissue, D. Both A and C.
Different species of plants and animals living in the same habitat is called a population, B. Community, C. Biome, D. Habitat. In animals, coordination is achieved by means of A. Respiratory system, B. Nervous system, C. Endocrine system, D. Both B and C. What is the potential source of chemical energy for cellular activities? A. C. H bond, B. C. O bond, C. C. N bond, D. P. O. C bond. The concept that various organisms dominated this planet during various geological time period and thus placing organisms in a time sequence came from the studies by A. Environmental biologist, B. Paleontologist, C. Marine biologist, D. Social biologist. Group of living organisms of the same species living in the same place at the same time is called a community, B. Population, C. Ecosystem, D. Biome. Control of organisms by using living organisms is called a bioremediation, B. Integrated disease management, C. Antisepsis, D. Biological control. Which one is a micromolecules? A. Polysaccharide, B. Protein, C. Hemoglobin, D. ATP. Unbroken series of organisms arranged from ancestor to descendant sequence is A. Biodiversity, B. Phyletic lineage, C. Connecting link, D. Evolutionary line. A large regional community primarily determined by climate is called a population, B. Community, C. Biome, D. Habitat. Branch of biology which deals with the study of chemical components and chemical processes in living organisms is called a. Molecular biology, B. Physiology, C. Biochemistry, D. Atomic biology. A structure formed by groups of similar cells, organized into loose sheets or bundles performing similar functions is called as A. An organ, B. An organism, C. A tissue, D. A cell. Oxygen accounts for percent of totals. Human body mass, A. 65%, B. 18%, C. 10, D. 3%. Out of total organisms on Earth, are vascular plants, A. 53, 10, B. 19.9%, C. 17, 60, D. 9.4%. Breakdown of large molecules into smaller ones, utilizing water molecules is A. Hydration, B. Hydrolysis, C. Dehydration synthesis, D. Electrolysis. Intake of liquid material by cell membrane is called a. Endocytosis, B. Exocytosis, C. Phagocytosis, D. Pinocytosis. Which one is not correct for a productive theory? A. It is predictive. B. It has explanatory power. C. It discourages suggestion of different hypotheses. D. None of these. Is concerned with cell secretions? A. Endoplasmic reticulum. B. Golgi complex. C. Lysosomes. D. Cell membrane. Synthetic insulin from pork was formed by which technique? A. Parasitology. B. Social biological techniques. C. Biotechnology. D. Both A and C. Cytoskeleton involved in assembly and disassembly of the spindle during mitosis is of A. Microtubules. B. Microfilaments. C. Intermediate filaments. D. None of these. Is used to relieve one kind of headache. Migraine. A. Penicillin. B. Lovastatin. C. Cyclosporine. D. Ergotin. Bacteria which grow either in the presence or absence of oxygen. Aerobic bacteria. B. Anaerobic bacteria. C. Facultative bacteria. D. Microaerophilic.